Hey everyone, we're getting ready to fly to Florida and thought we'd give you a look at what Grand Rapids Airport looks like during the COVID time period.
So we're going to flip this around.
Flip it around. I think we're like the only two people here.
There is no one. Wow.
We are here in San Antonio, Florida. Flew down last night to pick up Coach 1201. And when we got here, Joe and his team, wonderful job, had the coach all ready for us. They went through it. So keep in mind, if you're going through Florida on I-75, San Antonio, Florida, Joe and his crew do a great job. So basically, we're going to add a little water to the tanks. We just took up the hose and hit the autofill. So we'll get some water in the tanks and we'll get our slides in and we'll get on the road today and hopefully show you some footage of us heading north.
Hey y'all, so Randy's outside. He's disconnected the electric and that is the sound you're hearing. It is the bus is letting us know. The coach is saying, something's up, you lost power. So this morning he also added a little bit of water to our tanks and we should be off and going here shortly.
So another thing that's nice about the marathon is the tech link. You can see here, we can see that we've got 90% water. Our tanks are empty. You can check your house batteries. See green, the color shows you that everything's good. You can go to your inverters, generator, and then temperature. Storage bay, water bay, and outside. So just check everything before we go.
Slide number 1, moving in. You notice we moved everything out of the way as to where the mattress fits right up against the cupboards in the bedroom. We had pillows there, but we threw them on the bed. You want to always make sure the pathway is clear. So in our quads, the floor actually goes down and then comes over. The floor will drop down and then the slide comes in. So we've moved the chair to the middle and we'll show you how this works. We'll get a little close up because it's pretty cool. The whole floor, this whole section goes down and then the slide will move over the top of it. Now the seals are venting to let the air out. And then the slide should start to move here shortly. Here we go. All right. So here's our space. We'll move the chair back, but you can see how much room there is still.
All right, so we got the slides in, got the cord, electrical cord disconnected. Before we leave, I'm gonna just do one walk around, make sure the tail lights are working, the running lights are working, and everything looks like it's supposed to look, and then we'll be on our way.
And this is Coach 1201 quad slide. It's a great coach. We'll meet Randy on the other side. Making sure those bay doors are secure. We usually drive about a half hour and then pull over and just check things one more time. All right, I think we're ready to roll. Well, we're on the road. The rain has finally stopped. I think it rained all night, which sounds amazing in the coach. It's like a lullaby. It's wonderful. Roads aren't busy. It should be smooth sailing. So we're going from Tampa all the way up to Ohio. We're going to check out a park up there and then head back into Michigan to bring our coach there for the summer. So one stop that's required is, we're going to zip around and here we are, Walmart. We got to get some groceries. Since we flew in, we have nothing with us. So this is a great stop to make. Well, we hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to join us next week, Wednesday. We're going to be filming all the adventures we're going to do here in Harside Grove, Lake Erie in Geneva, Ohio. And you'll be able to see this at an early stage, and you're going to understand the potential and the growth that this park will have.
Yeah, definitely. It's going to be beautiful. It really is. So,
Yeah.
And we really appreciate, like Dawn has said several times, we appreciate all of you who watch us every week, all of you who comment on all the things that we're doing, the good and the bad and the ugly, whatever it may be. So, and I know it's been a tough time during this shutdown. We haven't been able to do much, but you've all hung with us, and we appreciate that. So keep watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach.
And we'll see you on the road.
Yes.